Most people panic the moment Giraffe stops paying rewards. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the app is not actually broken. The real problem is usually tracking errors, incomplete offers, payout delays, or account issues users completely miss. In this video, I'll show you exactly why Giraffe may not be paying in 2026, the most common fixes that actually work, and how to avoid losing your rewards moving forward. Let's start with the fastest fix first. The biggest reason users don't receive rewards is incomplete tracking. Giraffe often tracks app installs, gameplay time, and milestones through advertiser systems. If tracking fails, your rewards may never register correctly. For example, Jake downloads a game outside the Giraffe link instead of directly through the app. The system may fail to detect the install, which means no rewards get credited. That mistake happens constantly. But here's the problem. Many users continue grinding games for hours before realizing tracking already failed at the beginning. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the easiest fixes is reinstalling the app correctly and checking permissions immediately. Make sure app tracking, usage access, and required permissions are enabled before starting any offer. This step alone fixes a huge number of reward problems. And here's another important thing. Some rewards are delayed intentionally. For example, Alex completes an offer expecting instant rewards, but the advertiser requires verification first. In some cases, payouts may take hours or even several days, depending on the offer type. This is where most people fail. They assume delayed rewards automatically mean the app is a scam. In a minute, I'll show you the hidden issue many users completely overlook. First, check whether you actually completed all offer requirements correctly. Some games require reaching specific levels, staying active for a minimum amount of time, or avoiding uninstalling too early. Missing even one condition can cancel the payout entirely. Now here's the hidden issue almost nobody checks: VPN usage and device restrictions. Many reward apps detect suspicious traffic patterns. If you use a VPN, modified device settings, multiple accounts, or automated behavior, the system may pause or block rewards completely. For example, John uses a VPN while completing offers because he wants access to more tasks. The app flags unusual activity, and suddenly his rewards stop processing. That happens more often than people realize. And here's another simple fix. Update the app itself. Older versions may experience tracking bugs, login problems, or payment glitches that newer updates already fixed. Also clear the app cache, and restart your device before assuming the platform is broken. Small fixes matter. Now let's answer the big question. Is Giraffe actually a scam if payments stop? Not necessarily. Many users still report receiving payouts successfully in 2026. But reward apps rely heavily on advertiser tracking systems, and those systems are far from perfect. That's why patience and proper setup matter so much. So if Giraffe is not paying you, start by checking offer tracking, permissions, app updates, payout delays, VPN usage, and task requirements before assuming the worst. Most issues are fixable once you identify the real cause. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the exact issue you're facing on Giraffe. And stay tuned, because next we're covering the best reward apps that actually pay consistently in 2026.